We use how much with uncountable noun. Examples: how much sugar would you like? How much water do you drink per day? How much money do you spend per day? How much money does your parent give you every day? Yeah. And another one is how many. You use how many with count, right? Yeah. Example: how many books do you have? How many people are there in, yeah, the party, right? How many students are there in the classroom? How many cows are there on the tree? So how many dogs are there in your house? How many teachers are there at the school? Yeah. Thank you.